Everyone, Blake Sloan here. Brand new market update for you. Just finished this week's radio show. Very, very interesting numbers. We've seen a massive decline in terms of sales and also a decline significantly in terms of what's happening from price standpoint. So looking at last month's numbers, here's the big news. Single family home sales down 27.5% last month alone. One of the biggest drops we've seen in a very, very, very long time. Just looking at numbers, there's 578 home sales last month alone versus 797 the same month last year, which is significant. Now, here's also the big part. We've seen significant declines all the way since March. So March, 702 home sales, April, 653, May, 610, and then down here to June at 578 home sales. You can obviously see demand is falling significantly. Along the same time, we've seen interest rates rise in that same time period. The good news for now, prices are still up. Median price up 19% at 375,000. Here's the key piece, though. This is the first time we've really seen a month versus month decline. And so we kind of peaked out early in May at 380,000. It dropped last month to 375. And so we've been on a steep climb and increase in prices. Finally seeing it decline a little bit. I've been talking about on the show for a while here how it's supply and demand base, and price is that lagging indicator. We're finally seeing that lagging indicator kind of kick in there, which is interesting. So average sale price also up 14.4% at $457,838. But here's the kicker. Back in April, it peaked out at $486,984. Then it went down to 475 and then down to 457. And so if you look at the month versus month trend, it's significant decline in both average and median price. The first time we've seen that in a very, very, very long time, as prices have been climbing continuously for a long time. So if I'm a home seller and I see that, now might be the time to take some action. You've been looking to take chips off the table. If you're looking for the peak of the market, we are seeing significant shift, and we're seeing a huge decline in terms of actual demand, which is interesting. And supply is up as well, up 23.1%. So up to 1.6 months inventory. We're seeing massive amounts of homes hit the market right now. So the last thing you want to do as a home seller is wait till there's a lot more supply and demand is even more down. So if you're thinking about moving laterally, great time. Rates drop back down to 5.7% this week, where it was all the way up to 6.28 just a few weeks ago. So great time to make that lateral move or up or down move. You're thinking about it. Here's the other key factor: buyer traffic. Showings per listing down 23.3% last month. So very, very interesting there. Now here's the other kicker. Condos sales down 40% last month, which is crazy. 500 condo sales last month versus 842 the same month last year. So very, very interesting there. Price is still up, though, up 37.7%. The median at 236,500. Average sale price also up 31% at 274,395. We've seen both of those see a month versus month decline, though, in prices. Supply up 33% more condos in the market right now. Buyer traffic down 17.3%. So if I'm a seller, my alarm is going off a little bit. Time to cash out now. You want to take action that because you are seeing that soften. I do think we'll see the low inventory. It's only 1.6 months right now. That's going to protect price long term in terms of some consumer confidence and potential crash, but that is something I want to think about as a home seller. As usual, if you're thinking about selling, reach out to me. We have massive amounts of home buyers who couldn't get in before, who are looking for properties, who are still active. We share every week. We share today active home buyers we have on my website. As of today, is 68,521 active home buyers. So as the market changes, right, as this happens, regular agents who sell 3 or 4 houses a year and put their cell phone photo online is not going to sell it. You need somebody who's good with the absolute best marketing. Reach out, call us 843-808-SOLD or BlakeSloan.com anytime. And also, any random questions, reply to this email, call us. I'm here to help serve you and help you make the absolute best decisions long term.